This is crazy because when I blow my hair and just leave it blown out without stretching it or doing anything else to it, just the stretch of, looks good. This is what my hair looks like. Now these headbands are definitely not particularly my style. I'm gonna try them on, but really my headbands from my brand will pop with this. Can you bring those? These feel a little tight, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. If you have a big dome, these are not gonna work for you. Not to mention they're barely covering. It's barely. Y'all, this wig is everything. Like, it's giving me so much life because this is literally how I wear my own hair when it's out. I feel like this is my hair. Like, I'm gonna insert a picture in here to show you guys what my hair looks like when it's out, and it literally looks just like this. I don't like how putting on the headband messes up the shape of my fro. I feel like you could also blow this out if you want it to be bigger. So this is one side blown out, so you can definitely see how it stretches the hair. It also makes it like a little more flowy, like it moves better. Like, it's definitely giving me more length in the front, and it's definitely giving me more movement. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow this side, and then I'm gonna show you some of my headbands. And you don't have to keep it this shape. You can trim it up to the shape that you like. You could wear it less stretched or more stretched. This is a human hair wig, so obviously you'll be able to wash it, condition it, blow dry it, straighten it, flat iron it. I don't know why you would straighten it or flat iron it, but you could obviously have that option. And I love it. I absolutely love it. And obviously a throw on and go. It's just a ready to go winner. Love it. You could wear this unit with your hair braided underneath, twisted underneath. If you're waiting for your own braid out or twist out to set and dry, you can wear this in the meantime. Like, this is just a everything type of unit that's perfect for curly girls, for girls that love to wear afros, girls who just like to switch up their style real quick on the go. I think this one is just bomb. Like, this one is bomb. This is definitely a game changer. For sure. haven't seen a headband wig like this, so kudos to Victoria's Wigs for coming out with this one. I'm impressed and I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this unit. I think this unit is definitely fire and worth checking out. I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out on victoriaswigs.com. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button. You guys have been showing off lately. Y'all been subscribing and just blessing the kid by sharing my videos and doing the most. So keep doing the most. Keep hitting that subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new upload from me, because I am on a mission to upload every single day for you guys. Like, come on, I'm giving the content that you're looking for. So subscribe, okay? Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.